that may pertain to sexuality. I personally had to sign a permission slip for my 9th grader to read Romeo and Juliet, of all things. Parents also had to sign permission slips for their children to participate in a cooking class about chicken breast.
Next is Kai and Luca Giotti of Chandler to talk about books.
Hello. Advising our children. It is beyond comprehension to require permission slips in a culinary class. Have you not eaten chicken breast with your kids? Well, and why are we kneecapping our children in culinary class and in other classrooms?
Good evening. My name is Kurt Roars. I'm a parent in this district. One of the luxuries of being a private citizen that you could say things that the district administration, the board may not feel comfortable in talking about. So let's talk about chicken thighs. This subject came out last meeting regarding protest against district policy KB, the parent opt-in requirement for teaching child sexualization at school as derived from Arizona state statute. First, it was represented that the district required parent opt-in approval for teaching how to cook chicken thighs in a culinary class, since the sexually suggested word thighs was mentioned. This was a fabrication. The district never gave such direction. Then it was suggested that this was an honest misunderstanding by the teacher in question. This is absurd. Nobody could be that stupid. What is apparent that this teacher chose to make a public mockery of district policy, Arizona state law, and the concerns of parents on this matter. This disrespects the district, the state of Arizona, the dignity of the teaching profession, and most importantly, the legal rights of parents to direct the education of their minor children. Contrary to some opinions, teachers are restricted in their speech in the classroom or outside the classroom if they hold themselves out to be as teachers employed by the district, which is a state-mandated entity. This was decided in Supreme Court decision Garcetti versus Apolos in 2006. There is no unrestricted right to free speech for teachers in their official duties. They certainly can be disciplined for their transgressions. I understand from media reports that some conversations did occur with the offending parties. Fortunately, most of our teachers are reasonable, professional enough not to behave in this manner. What these defiant and disruptive teachers are free to do is to find employment elsewhere if they feel they cannot work under the constraints placed upon them. Insubordination in the teaching ranks cannot be tolerated. Political and social militancy cannot be allowed to be foisted on our school children. Some of these teachers have gone too far. In the words expressed recently by one of your colleagues,